At Graham Roofing Repair, we don't cut any corners. We're a Florida State licensed roofing contractor. We never hire illegal aliens, and all of our employees are fully covered by workman's comp. We specialize in residential re-roofing and repair. We also repair chimneys, soffit and fascia, rotten wood, do all kinds of shingle roofs and flat roofs. We only use GAF ELK materials and CertainTeed materials because those are the best materials on the market. From wind damage to simple wear and tear over time, we can fix any residential re-roofing problem that you may have. The thing I'm proudest about my business is that we don't leave a job until we know the customer is fully satisfied. And with 13 years experience, you can trust that we can get the job done for you right the first time. We also want to do your neighbor's roof, and so that we'll make sure we do a good job on yours. We treat your house like it was our house. The motto of our company is quality you can trust at a price you can afford, and we mean that.